I hope everybody's having a happy day. Today I've got something special. Well, I don't usually reveal any products because usually saturate them and they wouldn't be good for you to advertise anyway. But here, this is my awesome product of process of testing a product. This is the levitating magnetic photo frame. Like hovers right here, as you can see. But what I don't have is a video for this. This product I've got on AliExpress for 29. I'm probably gonna sell it for like 28 or 78. And there is a video here. This video, it's like a Chinese video though, and it looks cool. It's got like the Chinese letters here. It's not like the best quality. And so yeah, I printed some pictures with AI for this, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how I make videos of this. Alright, I've got a couple video clips here, which I've uploaded to my phone. Which I've taken the phone and uploaded to the computer, and I'm gonna make a nice little video of these with Premiere Pro. There's a couple of video editing programs which you're able to make videos with. I like Premiere Pro because it's nice and easy to use. All right, so start it like right here. Okay, lights on, lights off. Pretty, super pretty. And this one, start it like right here. Oh, maybe not here. Start here. Like here. Okay, looks good. Nice. This one, I think I'll start it like right here. Like right here. The light's on. Cool. Nice. Alrighty. And here we are. Here's our video, ready in a couple seconds from Premiere Pro, or from Cellphone videos already. And let's render this thing and get it ready for testing. Alrighty, this one with Premiere Pro, export media, choose the save location, demo 2, got the quality, render, ta-da, boom. Already, and now we are going to create the actual video. We're going to add text to this video. There's a cool like TikTok video thing, which everyone uses, which I was like, oh, why is it like the same voice? But it's AI. Like with AI, there's this website called murph.ai. Murph.ai. I'll put the links to it in the video description. And this is like, you can choose the voice here. I like Ava. This is like the most popular one. And what you can do here is
I'm Nate.
You can choose the voice, and you can choose like the feeling of it. I like the excited one. You can say like, I have a happy day. I am an AI voice. I will create an awesome video. Alright, ta-da. And you can click play, and it builds a preview. And when this is ready, click play, and you can hear it. Sometimes. Right, yeah.
Hi, have a happy day. I am an AI voice, and I will create an awesome video.
Yeah, and if you can do like punctuation, edit it to make it sound a little bit better. But yeah, alrighty, we've got this. Let's upload our video right here. How to upload the video is at Add Media, and you choose your video. Uploading the second version. And while the video is uploading, let's create a thing with ChatGPT. All right, I just created one, but here's a prompt I used to create a video. One of the cool things about AI is it's able to create videos in like the style of awesome stuff. So there are these advertisers I like, which are called the Harmon Brothers, and they create awesome stuff. So you create a video script with the text script only in the style of the Harmon Brothers to advertise a heart-shaped, magnetic, levitating photo frame. Make it fun and Valentine's Day themed. The script should be speakable in under, let's do 15 seconds. And give me only one. Okay. Like this thing will like create like whole like movies for you. Like, oh, this is the scene. This is what everything should look like. That's cool. All right, let's see. This Valentine's Day. Well, let's have AI read it. All right, let's put this output of what ChatGPT generated for us. on Murph.ai. All right, the video is still uploading and processing. And yeah, you're about to see the magic happen. One cool thing here is like I think 25% of people don't listen to videos with audio, like on social media. So if you add the video with subtitles, it's good. And Murph AI has the text, has the subtitles, and it's pretty cool. Alrighty, this is still processing, but yeah, all right. I'll start the video when this is processed. Yay, and the video is processed already. Let's do this. All right, so we add media uploads, video demo, 57 seconds. Okay, all right, let's do it. We put our text here from AI, and we pretty much click. You can have the subtitles on here. I've got the subtitles on, and you could generate audio. Just needs a minute. It builds a preview, and it's ready. All right, and let's listen to what this sounds like. Let's see. Building preview, and here's our AI narrator with the excited voice in our cell phone video of the product. 3, 2, 1. It says building preview. It gets to like 50% and it's ready. and ta-da. Yeah, this is super cool. Like a lot of those like awesome viral TikTok videos, like they legit just like utilize Smurf AI and probably ChatGPT for their content. It's amazing. Like to build videos like this in under like 10 minutes. It's freaking nice. All right, well, I'm gonna start this video when it's processed, and I'll give you a preview of how the video looks. Ah, it's ready.
This Valentine's, elevate your love with the Love Float Frame. Watch as your memories defy gravity and spin in a heart-shaped, levitating wonder. Perfect for those who love a bit of magic. Love is in the air, quite literally.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okie dokie, and might need to edit like the length of the video a little bit. This the video is 50 seconds, and this is like 20 seconds, but that's pretty cool. Alrighty, and let's do it. Let's export our video as an MP4. You can do voice only or video, and yeah, pretty much ready. So let's download this, and I'll let you guys have a look at what this looks like, and these will pretty much be ready for like Facebook ads and making money. Just with the same videos, you can like save the videos as like GIFs and put them as images on your landing page. Super easy, and AI for text on your landing page. Yeah, this is how to create the magic sauce videos. I would personally create like 3 versions of text and stuff, and the video, and test, because like when I first started doing ads, like I'll test like like I tested like 75 ads, like a lot of text, a lot of images, and there'll be like 3 which are like the best. So yeah, you might want to, the more you test, the better you do. Caffeine, got my Thailand cap right here. Caffeine, fish oils, and which are vitamins, and testing and learning equals achieving. Yeah. All right. Well, let's see. Is this video ready yet? Almost ready. Oh, this is a 50-second one, so it needs a second more. All right. I'm gonna start this video when it's ready. Yay! And our video is ready. Let's see what this looks like.
Valentine's, elevate your love with the Love Float Frame. Watch as your memories defy gravity and spin in a heart-shaped, levitating wonder.
I'm gonna center this video.
Perfect for those who love a bit of magic. Love is in the air, quite literally.
Nice stuff. Looks pretty good. Maybe a longer text script, but this is a nice demo of it. But yeah, well, I hope everyone's having a happy day, and cheers to earning tons of money.